Hi everyone, Sarah here from Sarah Homfray Embroidery, and it's time to do our DMC Magic Paper giveaway draw. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, thinking what's magic paper, I'd like to know about that, then you can check that video out up here and I try it out, show you how to use it. It does mean if you didn't see the video yet, then you have missed our giveaway draw, which we're about to do now. So do make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, click that little bell for the notifications, and that will tell you when we've uploaded something new, which is usually every week. We try and do it every Friday, but we've got more giveaways coming, and you do want to make sure you subscribe because we've got a really good one coming up. We're about to reach our 100,000 subscriber, so we're going to do a really exciting giveaway for that. So just before we get into that, a couple of questions came up from the video about this paper, and I just thought I would answer those. And the first one was, does this go through a printer? Now, I did have a look beforehand to check, and I couldn't find anywhere that said it did, and I tend to presume if it will go through the printer, it will tell you, because that's quite a good selling point, and it didn't. So I'd say don't put this through the printer. If you put it through a laser jet, it's got glue on it and it's going to melt your printer, which is not going to be good. And if you put it through an inkjet, it's probably going to run. The ink isn't fast, so it will run when you get wet. So don't put this in a printer. There are other types of this sort of material around, and I did have a little look online at those, and there was actually quite a bewildering amount, and I know some of you have been using them, so I thought I would turn this over to you. And if you've used something like this, you've used one of the other alternatives, then do let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you've used and whether you liked it or not, and people can have a check there and see if there's something else that is more suitable. I don't work for DMC. I buy these things myself to try them out, so there are other makes and other kinds available, so I'm going to turn that over to you. You let me know what they are, and then we've got a little bit more choice about what you can use. So the other thing I was asked was, could you wash it when you've stitched it? Now, I presume that question meant, can you put it in a washing machine to get the paper out? Now, I don't recommend you do that. When I did this on the original video, I did it in a bowl on the table, and you could see how murky the water went, which is the paper dissolving and the glue dissolving as well. So I suggest that you get that out first, probably better under a tap so that that washes away. I did it in a bowl for the camera, but a tap will actually wash that glue away, so I recommend you at least rinse it out. And I would never put embroidery in a washing machine anyway, unless it was on a piece of clothing or a tablecloth or a pillowcase, something that you could wash anyway. So I suggest rinsing it out first, and then if you want to wash it, you can put it through the wash. If you don't want to wash it, I would do it a couple of times. This has gone a little bit stiff still. I didn't quite get it all out, so I think it would warrant having another wash on the tap just to make sure it all comes out. So the other thing that I was asked is, how much is this paper? So at the time of making this video, I had a little Google online to see how much it was, and it's about £3.50 for just the 2 sheets this size. That's about $4 US. You might think that's a lot for a little bit of paper, but you can actually get quite a lot of designs about it. You're not putting your design in the middle and dissolving it all away. You can cloche it up the corner, and I've already got about 3 designs out of half a sheet, so it does go quite a long way. But do shop around online and see where it is the cheapest for you wherever you are in the world, and don't get your postage on top of that as well, because that was extra. So do a little bit of shopping around to see what you can get it for. Okay, so let's do the draw to see who's won our goodies. So we had well over 500 responses, so thank you to everybody who had a go and took part. You left some really brilliant comments and some poems as well. I love the poems. Well done for doing that. It was really great to read those. We've got a lot of new subs as well, subscribers to the channel who've not seen my channel before. So welcome to all of you. If you do enjoy my videos, do give them a thumbs up, give them a like. That helps to push them up the rankings, and more people will get to see them. So we've got 2 sets of DMC Magic Paper goodies to give away. I'll hold them up for you. So we've got roughly the same thing in each one. We've got some canvas as well. We've got some paper. We've got some designs already printed on. And I've put you a little face cloth in there as well if you want to have a go at the face cloth. Okay, so let's see who are our winners. So well done, Linda and Anna Marie. These are going to wend their way to you wherever you are in the world. So I will leave a message to the message that you left in the previous video. So do check that out. I'll also put it at the top of this video as well and ask you to contact me either through the website or through the email on the website, which I will give you. We did have a couple of spam messages on the last video that we did, so really sorry about that. That was out of our control. I'll never ask you to contact a random WhatsApp number, so please ignore anything like that if you get it. So do check your messages to see if you've won. If I don't hear from you, I'm going to need to redraw it, so do make sure you get in touch. So thanks for taking part, everybody. Sorry if you didn't win this time, but do keep watching because we've got more giveaways coming and you might just be lucky next time.